Chris Janok here. It's CES 2026. I'm in the E-LED booth, a Taiwanese company that does automotive displays and is now actually merging with another company that's going to do some off-road displays applications as well. So let's take a look at some of their HUD technologies. This is a TFT-based HUD. It is eye-tracked, so I'm trying to maintain eye tracking here so you can see the image. I'm not, there we go. You can see it a little bit now. So this is a display that was very much like they showed last year. The only modification they have this year is these adding some menu items here, so you can press different menu items here and see different things. Here's the ADAS information and several other options. So that's the key feature for this one. TFT based, a little bit brighter. About 10 to 12,000 lumens. They use white LEDs and don't see really a need to do anything up like a quantum dots in the backlight here at all. This is a version of a virtual HUD that they showed last year, basically a reversing of this, the same architecture. So they have the TFT mounted up top here, which is projecting down to a mirror down below down there, a concave mirror reflecting off of the screen to create a virtual image that is hanging, just about where my hand is right here. So I am off to the, I'm in a driver's seat here. This is eye tracked. Here's the eye tracking. And the idea is this is supposed to be a virtual assistant. So if I call for, to call someone, I could just have to, I call it out and my virtual assistant does a little dance and makes the call, or some other versions of this. I think they're just trying to find an application for this inverted HUD, but at least they're trying, which is cool. Um, Kind of in a non-display application, this is brand new here for the trucking industry. The idea is if you have a tractor trailer like this, they typically do not have the kinds of cameras that you would have in an automotive vehicle. So you can't see around the vehicle. You can't get that top-down 3D perspective. So their idea is, well, let's just attach a drone to the top of the cab here, and that's kind of where it would be placed right up here. If you want to back up, if you want to check the condition of your cargo, if you want to look for traffic jam down the road, you just launch the drone, which is on a little 30-meter tether here, and that solves the problem. Over here is their panoramic HUD. Again, this was shown last year as well. This is 3 TFTs cold formed into this curved shape here. And again, it's kind of a demonstrator. I don't think there's particularly anything new or innovative here. There's 3 12.3-inch panels here. They buy the panels, obviously, from someone, and then they do this cold forming and integration to make this panoramic HUD. That is the story here.